Numericals on DC generator, problem 4. A long shunt compound generator delivers a load current of 50 amperes at 500 volts and has armature, series field and shunt field resistance of 0.05 ohms, 0.03 ohms and 250 ohms respectively. Calculate the generated voltage and the armature current. Given data, the load current equal to 50 amperes, the terminal voltage 500 volts, the armature resistance Ra equal to 0.05 ohms, the series field resistance RSE equal to 0.03 ohms, the shunt field resistance RSH equal to 250 ohms. Given DC generator is long shunt DC generator. Generally, the DC compound generators are classified into two types. First one, long shunt compound generator, and second one, the short shunt compound generator. Compound generators will have both series and shunt windings. When the shunt field winding is connected to point A, that is, after the series field winding, then this type of connection will be present in long shunt DC generator. If the shunt field winding is connected at point B, that is, before the series field winding, then this type of connection will be present in short shunt DC generator. Given generator type is long shunt DC generator and the terminal voltage across the load is 500 volts and is indicated. And the load current IL equal to 50 ampere is indicated. Out of three currents, IL, IA and ISH, we need to find remaining two currents, ISH, shunt field current, and IA, armature current. As the shunt field is parallel to the load and in parallel connection, the voltages will be same. Therefore, the voltage across the shunt field is 500 volts. And shunt field resistance is 250 ohms. As we know, the shunt field current ISH equal to voltage across shunt field divided by shunt field resistance. Therefore, ISH equal to V by RSH. Substituting the values of V and RSH, we get ISH equal to 500 divided by 250, that equal to 2 ampere. Therefore, the shunt current ISH equal to 2 amperes. And still, we need to find the armature current IA. The armature current IA is the current supplied to the shunt field winding and to the load. Therefore, IA equal to ISH plus IL, that is, armature current IA equal to shunt current 2 amperes plus load current 50 amperes. Therefore, the total current IA equal to 52 amperes. Now we know all the three currents, IA equal to 52 ampere, ISH equal to 2 ampere, IL equal to 50 ampere, and now we have to find EMF induced by the generator. Writing the mesh equation in mesh 2 by using Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage law states that the algebraic sum of voltages in a mesh is equal to 0. And we start from minus Eg. As the armature winding is not a pure conductor, there will be a voltage drop due to armature resistance Ra. When the armature current of Ia flows through the armature winding, then there will be a voltage drop of Ia Ra will occur across the winding. We must include this drop, and now the equation becomes minus Eg plus Ia Ra. And further moving in the mesh, there is a voltage drop across series field winding due to series field resistance RSE. The current flowing in RSE is IA. Therefore, we can write the drop as IA RSE drop. We have to include this drop in the equation. Minus Eg plus IA Ra plus IA RSE. And further moving in the mesh, there is a voltage drop across load therefore capital V. After considering the drop, we have to rewrite the equation. Minus Eg plus IARA plus IARSC plus V equal to 0. We completed adding of all the voltage drops in the mesh. Now, the EMF generated by the DC long shunt generator Eg equal to IARA plus IARSC plus V. After substituting the values, we will get Eg equal to 52 into 0.05 plus 52 into 0.03 plus 500. Therefore, EMF induced in the generator Eg equal to 504.16 volts. That is the answer. Same problem when they are given 1 volt per brush for contact drop. The small rectangular boxes indicate the brushes. Each brush has a voltage drop of 1 volt, then 2 brushes will have a voltage drop of 2 volts, and this drop has to be included in the Eg equation. The overall equation now becomes Eg equal to IARA plus IARSC plus V plus brush drop, that equal to Eg equal to 52 into 0.05 plus 52 into 0.03 plus 500 plus 2 volts. After solving this, we will get EMF induced in the generator Eg equal to 506.16 volts with brush drop considered.